By using this simple AI free trick, totally I have earned $8,496 and today I have earned $308.46 with absolutely free trick. Hello guys, you are watching CPA Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain you about how you can use a simple trick using the AI tools. You know what is the AI tool? AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. This is a trending word right now. Artificial intelligence is nothing but it's a robot. It's nearly comparable to robot. Everything this robot is going to do for you. Not only a single work, a copywriting, a landing page, a video editing, everything this robot is going to be work for you. You don't want to work anything, just you're going to set the system, then you are going to start your earnings. Okay, so this is a simple trick. This is what I'm going to teach you. Okay, so first, for starting a CPA marketing, there are three things you want to do. One is copying a link, CPA link. You are going to copy a CPA link. Okay, then you are going to create a content. You are going to create a content regarding a free gift voucher or free giveaways. Like this, you are going to create a content. Then you will finally do a landing page. Okay, so this is a manual work. Copying a CPA link is a manual work. Generating a content, sales copy is a manual work. Then creating a landing page is a manual work. But from right now, you don't want to work any things for your own. Okay, everything you are going to do with a systematical work. Your robot is going to work for you. Okay, so after copying a CPA link from your specified website, okay, so this website called as copy.ai. This website called as sales copy website. Okay, this robot is going to give you a sales copy. Okay, just you're going to say what are all the things you need from this copy.ai. Okay, just open a new account in this copy.ai website. Okay, this is my own method. Just do the copy and paste thing, then earn the money. Okay, so let's open this AI tool. Okay, then you should click on create new project. Okay, then here they will ask the things. Okay, what is your product called, and describe your product. You are going to say that okay, yeah, my product is regarding CPA marketing. Then my description about my product is I'm going to promote it by giving some giveaways like free gift voucher, free PayPal giveaway cards, or free adult contents. Like this, you are going to give a content like this. You are going to give the every detail and click on create. Okay, so the first thing over, and the second thing is this website name is perplexity.com. okay, .ai, sorry, perplexity.ai. This is an awesome website. Okay, this website is nearly to a Alexa. Okay, Alexa's work is to, if you say anything to Alexa, means Alexa will give you an answer. Same like comparable to it, this Alexa is going to give you with the best 5 answers. Okay, so if you ask anything regarding your business, this Perplexity will help you. Okay, for an example, what is CPA marketing? Okay, what is CPA marketing? What is CPA marketing? If you just click on search, you will get the world's best 5 answers. Not like Google, you want to get many datas like Google. World's top best 5 answers you will get. Not only the answer, you will get the sources also, like here. Okay, from this website, Semrush, Wikia, like this website, you will get the top 5 best answers in the world you will get from this website. Okay, so you will ask a question in this website, how I can use this for CPA marketing. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, you are going to give a systematical work, like which content you are giving, like which content you are going to promote. Like this, if you can use this website, you will get the answers regarding your business. Okay, if you need any answers for your questions, please directly you can ask this perplexity.ai. okay, then the third thing is Sidekick.ai is nothing but it's a landing page website. This is really an awesome website. Okay, in this website everything automatically it will be created. Okay, if you click on get started, it will redirect to the sign up option. You can easily sign up and you get into this website. Okay, this website works to give you the best landing page, one click landing pages, copy, design and codes, everything. Okay, you will get the many educational purpose things also are inside this landing pages. Okay, what consumers are saying about Sidekick, you will get the reviews about this website. Okay, this is the best website I have ever seen. Okay, but keep it in mind that this copy.ai, perplexity.ai, sidekick.ai, this all website are just a temporary thing, because just for a few weeks or few months this will be for free. But after getting some popularity, after getting some more traffic on this website, automatically this website owners will get this website into paid things. Okay, so this is all is free right now. I think ChatGPT also they have made it paid. I really don't know about it. Okay, it's really to nearly equal to ChatGPT. Okay, so please try to use this website and start earning $5,000 to $6,000 per month easily with only with CPA marketing. But for affiliate marketing you can do anything. Okay, for affiliate marketing this copy.ai website is the best website, because you know guys, for affiliate marketing you need the best sales copy. For giving a best sales copy, this copy.ai website is an awesome website. You can from this perplexity.ai website you can get many related things about your website, which means your affiliate product. You are promoting a keto diet product, means if you search about the keto diet product advantages and disadvantages, everything top best world class answers will be here in this perplexity.ai. so you can collect this, and after you can go to this sidekick.com and create a best ever landing page for your affiliate product. So this is the best thing you can do from this. Okay, so everything is over. Now the next thing is Quora. Quora is it's a traffic source website. After you have created a successful CPA marketing link, okay, after you have created a successful content for your people, just come to this Quora website. For an example, I'm just giving you this Quora website. You can use Quora, Reddit, WordPress, Facebook, even though you can use the WhatsApp also for a traffic sources. Okay, so just click on Quora and click on Ads Manager, click on Ad Managers. Okay, don't worry, you don't want to pay any single dollar for this website. Okay, you don't want to pay anything. Just click on New Campaign. You don't want to pay anything for it. Okay, just click on conversion or traffic. Okay, just click on traffic. Just give an example of $10 and click on continue. Then you can click on questions. Okay, just click on questions, and you can search anything. Okay, for an example, if you are searching for money, okay, for your niches money, just click on money and click on bulk ad. Okay, click on money, click on continue. See, what is the easiest way to make money? This question is raised by 7,500 to 8,000 members only for a week. Per week 7,500 to 8,000 people are searching this question. Just pick this question. Don't want to do anything, just pick this question. See the second question, 7,000 to 8,000 people are asking, and 3,000 to 4,000, 3,000 to 5,000, 2,500 to 3,000. This kind of people are asking this question. Just copy any question and go to Quora. Go to Quora, then click on post. Okay, just create an answer. Even though you can just search this question, just search this question and just answer for this question. Okay, just go and click this question and answer for this question. For answering this question also you can use this perplexity.ai. okay, so the simple, you can just copy paste that answer here and click on next. You can see the magic now. you will get the best ever top 5 answers from the world websites. Okay, so this is awesome content. Yeah, you can see this. Just copy the answers. Okay, it's a paragraph, like a paragraph. Just copy this answer, go to Quora and click on paste this. I think the website name also coming. Just copy this content, paste this answer and give your CPA link also. Okay, after you have successfully copied your answers, then go to Quora, just paste the answer and in the last give your CPA link also. You have created a CPA link regarding this AI tool. By the use of AI tool you have created, no, just paste that and click on post. Automatically you will get started generating the money like me. Not like me, even though more than me you can start earning. This is the best trick ever, nobody have thought. Okay, so we have seen that for this particular question 7,500 to 8,500 people are searching. For an example, you are getting just 3,000 visitors. Okay, from this 3,000 visitors only you are getting for an example, from this 3,000 you are getting only 600 leads. Okay, for an example, from the 3,000 visitors you are getting just 600 leads, just 25% of lead. Out of the 600 into per lead, for an example, for your CPA link, per lead you are getting $1 or 0.50 cent. Okay, if a person have completed their task by clicking your CPA link, if you will get $0.50, 50 cents. Okay, 600 into 0.50 into $300 per day. This is a massive thing, and this is really, it's not a joke. Any beginner can just by sitting 2 to 3 hours a day can achieve this simply within 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month. But this is definitely going to be happen. So this is the best thing, you want to focus on it. Okay, so please try to understand and please try to work on it. Okay, so the last but not least, many people are asking for a private session, and we have created a private session also. This is the first YouTube video I'm going to reveal my private session things. Okay, if you want you can join. This is not a compulsory thing. If you want my private guidance, which means I'm going to teach you personally, one-on-one, I'm going to teach you personally, so you will get the live support from me through Instagram or Telegram or even directly from Zoom call also. Video call options also available. I'm going to teach you directly. Okay, so finally I'm going to reveal my 7 figures of income. Not only CPA marketing, make money online, everything. Affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, Google AdSense, and digital marketing, how to get the clients, how to invest just a $5 and how to get a $500 with just that $5. I'm going to teach you everything in the ad strategy also, free methods and paid methods, true strategies also. I'm going to teach you. What are the things you are going to get is step-by-step training videos, no other investment needed. Okay, for free traffic you don't want to invest any single penny for this. Okay, bonuses classes also available. Bonus classes nothing but per weekly once I'm going to come on video call and I'm going to teach you for every student. Lifetime access, you can access anytime from anywhere. Okay, if you have get my private session videos, some people will tell only for 1 month this is available. This is not like that. You will get for lifetime access. Okay, next thing is 30 special methods. This is a biggest tricks videos are included in this 30 special methods, and group live sessions also available. Live support, as I already said, work with any device like mobile, tablet, laptop, computer, like anything you can work on it. Works worldwide. This is not just for a simplest exact country. This is for worldwide. Things are available. Okay, so this is my testimonials. Okay, the testimonials is nothing but this is the beginning. We have 60 to 70 subscribers in the beginning of my YouTube channel. Then I think 20 to 30 people have joined with me, and this first live things are going to which means the first 20 to 30 people have got their results, and I have uploaded a simple screenshot for trust. Okay, you want to know the what all the things are happening with the students also know. So that's why I have made some testimonials here. Okay, then 12 plus hours of quality contents are available, group sessions, live sessions, and this is the modules. This is the main thing. Okay, CPA marketing, hidden concept of CPA marketing, and blah 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 blah. The CPA marketing, these videos are available. Affiliate marketing, A to Z videos are available. Just by using the 7-figure of income videos, it's a minimum of $3,000 to $4,000. A simple thing. Just a $3,000 to $4,000 is a simple thing by using this free things. Okay, then Google AdSense, how you can earn by Google Ads. Digital marketing also available, and Facebook threshold and Google threshold also available. So this is the biggest bounty to you guys, and the price is $74 basic thing, and most popular thing is $90. Wait, don't get panic. For our YouTube subscribers, we are giving you another offer also. You don't need to pay $74 or you don't need to pay $89. We are giving you an offer. Okay, you don't want to pay. Already this basic things value is $90, but I'm giving you a depreciation of $74. This price is $125 and I'm giving for $89, but you don't want to pay this $74 or you don't want to pay this $89. Again, I'm going to give you a biggest offer. You want to know how much the course price is? This is just an affordable price, which means you can purchase, you can eat a pizza weekly. It's a cost of a pizza. Okay, so you don't want to panic of it. This, if you want to know about this unbelievable course price, just message me on Instagram or Telegram. I'll give the link in the description. Even though I'll give this course modules link in the description, just ask me there. I'll give you a sweet surprise there. Okay, so most of the FAQ question answers also I have given there. What are the things and what are all the help you will get from us, everything I have explained you here. Okay, so all the best guys, see you in the next video. Okay, and see you in my private session also. I'm waiting for you, and please start earning. This 2023 going to be us. We are going to smash this 2023. Okay, all the best, take care, we'll see you in the next guy. Until then, it's bye from CPA Hacks.